How to download Fortnite on your Android device. If you have ever wanted to play Fortnite on your Android device, you've probably been to the Play Store, searched for the game, and then been disappointed when you realised it was not there. I'm going to show you a way where you can actually download Fortnite on your Android device. Okay, straight into it. First, you need to open up your web browser. I'm using Chrome. Then, do a search for Fortnite Android. The first link in the search results should be a link to Epic Games. Click on that link. Okay, in the middle you'll see a black button that says Get it on the Epic Game apps. Click on that button. After the file's downloaded, click on Open. It will ask you, do you want to install this application? Tap on Install. After the app is installed, tap on Open. Once this page is loaded, you'll see there's 3 game options. The top one is for Fortnite. So click on Fortnite. Then on the next screen, tap on the big yellow install button. And it will start to download. Just give it a minute or two while it downloads. I'll come back once it's ready. Now it's installing. Next, click on Launch. Now it's just running through a few updates. You'll see there that the update size says 5.16 gigabytes. I did find the first time that I tried to install this, my phone didn't have enough free space, so I had to uninstall and delete a few other apps and photos and videos on my device. You may need to do the same. This may take some time to update. I'll be back when it's finished. There you go. And now it will ask you if you have played Fortnite before. If you have, click on yes to find your account and you'll be able to log in with your current progress and all of the purchases you've previously made. If not, click on no and then you'll be able to create an account and then you can start playing Fortnite. And that's all it takes to download Fortnite on your Android device. If you found this video helpful, I'd love it if you liked the video, subscribe to my channel, and let me know in the comments if this worked for you. Thanks for watching.